How do you use Excel in a smart way for your budgeting forecasting process? What you see on my screen is an Excel file that pulls out data from multiple files through Power Query, and this is how it works. Go to data, go to Power Query editors, and these are files that are coming from different departments. They originally come in Excel format, and then through a process they're converted into CSV format, and from there through Power Query they are exported into this Excel file. It's real easy to refresh. Once you have new data, you just click refresh, new data pulls in, and you can see I have multiple tabs coming from those files. So I have calendar, capacity, equipment, backlog, pipeline, emergent business, cost, and master files. This master file in essence combines all those underlying data sources to create nice looking charts. And this way, if you organize your process, you can actually do budget forecasting as frequently as you need and as quickly as you want to. Because, this way you don't have to rely on broken links, on Excel files in different formats, on, consolidation files and don't talk to each other. This way, everything is so very well organized, disciplined, and data can be refreshed as quickly and frequently as needed. In my example here, I use, for capacity planning, I use hours, I use equipment and other cost, and then for demand, I use data from backlog, from pipeline, weighted hours required, and then emergent businesses. It's not in pipeline, but based on history, eventually comes through. So very simple, very organized process. You don't really have to invest heavily into very expensive commercially available planning systems that are not going to cover your needs fully anyways. This way you can actually build something yourself, real simple, quick and easy. Thank you. Bye.